Dallas and Collin County saw a significant drop in people experiencing homelessness, the lowest measured since 2015. That's according to January's federal point-in-time count that was released just this past week. Leah Waters with the Dallas Morning News joins us with more on this one. Leah, first off, thank you for joining us. Good to see you.
Thanks, Evan. You too.
So, first off here, tell us, how do these 2024 numbers compare to years past?
Yeah, leaders at Housing Forward are saying that they counted about 3,700 people either living on the streets or in shelter at January's count. And that's a 12% drop from last year. Zooming in on that data shows that homelessness also dropped among families, 15%, youth, 22%, and veteran homelessness by 21%. Homelessness really peaked in the region in 2021, but since then it has dropped by roughly 20%. HUD has called us a top performer in the region because of it.
Wow. So what do officials say has contributed to this such a significant drop in these homelessness numbers, Leah?
Yeah, there's two key drivers to the drop, Evan. The first is in 2021, the homeless response system went through a pretty robust transformation. The All Neighbors Coalition began working more collaboratively and joined forces for a rapid rehousing initiative that helped find homes for thousands more people. And the second factor is money, and lots of it. Starting in 2021, the system received millions more in private and public funding that allowed it to serve more people. And in February, the HUD earmarked $27 million in annual funding, which is a 44% increase compared to 2021.
Okay, what's next now for these counties that have seen all the success in curbing homelessness across our area?
Yeah, Housing Forward leaders say they're excited to see such promising results, but board chair Peter Brodsky says that this doesn't mean their efforts can slow down at all. In fact, the lead agency announced a new goal on Tuesday to cut street homelessness by about 50% by 2026, and that's compared to the 2021 levels. So to make that happen, the agency is aiming to raise about $30 million in a public-private investment. And they're beginning what's a new phase in ending homelessness, where they're going to emphasize closing encampments in public spaces with what they call a targeted street-to-home approach. So they plan to speed up that process by having behavioral health on site, and they're really encouraging residents to report encampments through the 311 system so that they can connect those unsheltered folks with services. Okay,
good stuff. Leah Waters with the Dallas Morning News. Leah, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you.
Thanks so much, Evan.
Thank you. Have a good weekend. You can read more of Leah's work right now. Just head to dallasnews.com.